Alright guys, welcome back. So we have another video on the post structure GBT. So what does it mean when I say the post structure? So when when you're just creating content for any social media platform, you might be curious, what would be the structure of your post? What would be the, basic structure that be doing first and what you should be doing second and then third. Yeah, see, yeah, TikTok, molecules, organisms, design, story, business, and curriculum. So this is basically the structure of your post. So in the last videos, in the previous videos, we just saw some of the items. What are the else? Let me show you again. There you can see items are like the text, visuals, videos, audio, and then action. In a text, the first thing first, you should have the title and a subtitle and paragraph. And then, in the visual section, you will have images, logo, icons, and all the visual, storytelling that I just discussed so far. In the third step, you should have a video, A-roll, B-roll, or overlay. Audio, again, the voice, the music, or SFX. Action, the button, interaction form. So this is the very first step you should be taking off, like when you're making a post for any social media platform. So moving ahead, once you select all of those things in the items, you should be combining all of those things, and then you create a, maybe it could be a tweet, maybe it could be a landing page, maybe it could be a quote, post, or any, testimonial or video sponsors. So basically, when you combine all of these things, you will eventually create one thing, which is like a molecule. It could be a tweet, it could be a video, it could be a carousel post, it could be a simple tweet or testimonial or any landing page. So it could be anything. So that is the second process, second step, which is molecule, where you combine all of the atoms, and then you just end up with like molecules, which is like a form of like form of content piece. Moving ahead, we have organisms, which is like multiple molecules working together. So in this section, you will see it can be like billboards, logo, avatar, visual hooks, headline. Again, all those things which you need to see, that you should have a kind of a structure when you just create content. So moving here again, and then you will have to have a design, and then you should create a story of that post about it, and also have a little bit of talking about your business. And then this is curriculum is just not it is just a content. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. This would be is, let me show you, just come to the chat GPT, and then you're creating content on voice, just e-commerce, like right. So here you can see, create me a carousel post on 7 hidden tips to get conversion by 20% on your e-commerce store. So I would want to post on this, and I would want to create a carousels. So I just let this tool know that just add these all things. So you need to be doing this because you need just copy these two things, storytelling and design, and then you will eventually get the actual post, the content in actual, let's see what this comes up with. So here you can see slide one, cover slide, which is the text. Design direction is, they also, this tool is also guiding you how you should be creating a design. Bold typography with a person increase graph, arrow going up. Oh, this is so deep. Storytelling is this is hook the audience, you are driving traffic, but where the scale, where are the sales? These seven subtle changes could make all the difference. So in the slide two, you will get the content, and then here you can see the design again. So this is very deep, when you are like, oh, this is what I need to be doing. So this is basically an idea of how you should be structuring, your content piece. I also understand what I'm trying to say. If you have any question, regarding the structure of your content, is regarding the structure of your post or any content piece that you would want to create, do let me know. And if you don't understand, check out this video again and see what are the items, what are the again molecules, what are the organisms, and what would be the story. And here you can see what would be the story and design of your post. Give any question to let me know. In the next video, maybe we'll cover some more things about this. I hope you like it.